Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on kubectl secrets command. And in this lecture, I will walk you through all the kubectl secrets command. So first I will set the alias k equal to kubectl. So first command list all secrets in the current or the default namespace. So the command is k get secrets and this will list. This command displays a list of all secrets in your current namespace with basic information like name and age. Use this command when you need to quickly check available secrets or as a first step in troubleshooting application configuration issues. And this is how the output will look like. So most likely it will be the default namespace unless you have switched the namespace. Next command, display detailed information about all secrets in a specific namespace. So the command is k get secrets -n followed by the namespace name. This command displays a list of all secrets in the specific or the specified namespace. Next command, display detailed information about all secrets in all namespaces. So k get secrets followed by -A, and this command displays a list of all secrets in all namespaces. It is useful when you need to view secrets across different namespaces or when working in a multi-namespace environment. Next command, describe a specific secret, and command will be k describe secret followed by the secret name. So this command provides detailed information about a specific secret, including its creation time, labels, annotations, and type. Use it when troubleshooting secret configuration or verifying secret metadata. So just want to let you know that after describe, you have if it is default, this is the default namespace, but if it is specific namespace, you have to add -n followed by the namespace. Next command, create a secret from literal values. So k create secret, then there is a keyword called generic followed by the secret name, and I am calling it db credentials. This is your user provided name. Then -- from literal, and this is the first key and the value, and then -- from literal, and the key is password and the actual password. So this command creates a secret named db credentials with two key value pairs. Use it when you need to quickly create a secret with multiple pieces of sensitive information directly from the command line. And this is how it will be saved, or if you check out the YAML, so it will have a name, type is opaque, but in the command we give generic, and then there is a fixed data section, and inside that username, password, and this will be base 64 encoded and saved. So create secret from a file. So k create secret, then generic, then the name of secret, -- from file. So earlier we used -from literal, and the path to the file. So in this case we are giving a certificate file. So this command creates a secret using the contents of the specified file. Use it when you need to store file-based sensitive data such as certificates, keys, or configuration files as Kubernetes secrets. And if you check out the YAML, it will look something like this. You will have a name. There's other metadata field like creation timestamp namespace, which is the default, resource version, and there'll be a UID, which is a generated UID. Then type is opaque, and then you have a data section, and then you have a certificate.crt, which is the file name, and finally base 64 encoded content of the certificate file. Next command, create a secret from multiple files. So k create secret generic, and the name of secret is app secrets, and we are saying from file, and we are repeating it twice. So this command creates a secret containing multiple files with their contents. Use it when you need to bundle several configuration files as a single secret for your application. So this is how it will be stored at the backend. You have app.properties. So this is the name of the file and the whole base 64 encoded contents of app.properties. So this one can have multi-line, so it will base 64 the whole thing, or if you want to have just single text, you can also do that. So you can just have, for example, app.properties or something like there'll be only a single word which is a password, and you can take that and the key will automatically become the file name. Next, create a secret from a directory. So k create secret generic, the name of secret, and dash dash from file, and same flag, but we are not giving a file name, we are just providing a directory. So just make sure last is slash and inside that all files. So this command creates a secret containing all files in the specified directory. Use it when you have multiple configuration files in a directory that should be bundled into a single secret. So this is how it will look like. So this is all the file it has automatically picked up, and it has base 64 encoded content inside the data section. So all the files will be listed one by one. So create a TLS secret. So TLS is for SSL TLS communication kind of secret. So this has slightly different syntax. So if you have like certificate and all in Kubernetes, you will use a TLS, create a TLS secret first. So it's now we are not saying generic, we are saying create secret, but type is TLS. So basically there are three types: TLS, Docker, and generic. Then followed by the name of secret. Then the path we have to give dash dash cert. So we have used from file, from literal, but this is first time we are giving dash dash cert. Then path to the .crt file, and then we have to give dash dash key, which will have path to the TLS key. So this command creates a TLS secret with certificate and a private key. Use it when you need to configure secure TLS communication for applications like ingress resources. And this is how the backend or how the YAML will look like. So it's default name of the secret, and inside data you have the tls.crt and tls.key. And type you will see it's slightly different. It's kubernetes.io/tls. So this is the first time we are seeing this new type. Next one, create a Docker registry secret. So the command is k create Docker registry, and this is the new type. So generic TLS, and this is the third type, and we are giving it a name. Then all the information that we want to save, we are saying Docker server. Where is the Docker server? It can be in your private on-premises environment or any other Docker registry. Then Docker username, Docker password, and Docker email. So basically in this Docker registry, you are pushing your images. Now you want to pull those images, so you can create a Docker registry, a secret like this. And this command creates a secret for Docker registry authentication. So this will be used during authentication when it wants to pull the image, or it could be also or it could be also when you want to do some operations with your Docker registry. So use it when you need to pull images from a private container registry in your Kubernetes cluster. But most of the time it's used for pulling the images because it's a private registry, so it needs authentication. And how the backend will look like: the kind will be secret and namespace, and the type has got new type, kubernetes.io and docker config JSON. And that you will see specifically this we are not giving, but because this is the standard format, so inside data section it will have .docker config JSON, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 it has base 64 encoded docker config JSON. So first it will convert it to a JSON, and then it will base 64 this or the whole value. Next, get secret details in YAML format. So the command is simple: k get secret, the secret name, o YAML, output YAML. So this command outputs the complete secret definition in YAML format. And when you want to inspect all details of a secret, including and that includes encoded data, or when you need to backup or replicate a secret configuration. So you can create backups also. So you can just put a greater than symbol and the file name. So that's how you can backup in your exam before you actually start modifying some secret or edit some secret. So next, delete a secret. So command is straightforward: k delete secret and followed by the secret name. So this will remove a secret when it is no longer needed, or when you want to replace it with some different configuration. Next, extract and decode a secret value. So the command is k get secret my secret, and we are saying o dash o output JSON path. Then we are traversing the JSON path. So inside .data, this is the root, and we go inside data, then password. Then we are just redirecting or piping it to base 64 decode. So we are decoding the password value. So I'll just so this command extracts and decodes a specific value from the secret. and use it when you need to verify the actual content of a secret value during troubleshooting or configuration validation. Next, edit a secret. So straightforward, k edit secret followed by the secret name. So you can directly edit the secret. So in some cases, you can take a backup by using -o YAML if you are working in production or in your exam questions, and then you can directly edit the values. And if you have like base 64 some text, you can directly edit that as well. Next, create a secret in different namespace. So this I already talked about. So generic app secret, we are saying from literal, and just make sure you provide the namespace and the value. So -n namespace followed by the value. Okay, next command, label a secret. So k label secret followed by the secret name, and we are providing a new set of labels. So this command adds or updates labels on a secret. Use it when you need to organize, filter, or select secrets based on classification attributes. Okay, next command, filter secrets by label. So k get secrets -l for the filtering, and we are providing a key value. So this command lists only secrets with specific labels. Use it when you need to find secrets that are associated with a particular application or environment for maintenance or auditing. Next command, create a pod with secret as environment variables. So k run, and this is the pod name, then followed by the image. Then we have to give --env from and the secret. So the format will be secret/app secrets. So this is the actual name of secret, but this value is a standard prefix that we have to add. So this command creates a pod that imports all values from a secret as environment variables. Use it when your application requires access to sensitive configuration data through environment variables. And this is how the pod will look like. So the pod name and default namespace. So it will have some labels like secure app, because we have created the pod like this. And you will go inside containers, you will see env from, then secret reference followed by the name, which is the app secrets. So this will load all this particular secret config object into the pod. Okay, patch a secret. So k patch secret --patch and data, then followed by API key and the value. So you can do it in one line, or you can do a edit also. So this command updates a specific fields in a secret without modifying the entire object. Use it when you need to make targeted changes to secret data, such as adding or updating a single key value pair. So note, the value must be base 64 encoded. So you can just base 64 beforehand and just paste the value over here. So list all secrets sorted by creation time. So k get secrets --sort by metadata.creation time. So this command lists secrets sorted by creation time. Use it when auditing secret management practices or identifying recently created secrets during troubleshooting. Next, create secret from a .env file. So k create secret. So env is basically a hidden file, and we usually keep environment specific variable. So the command is k create secret generic env secrets, and again for this there is a special flag -- from env file and followed by the file name, which is in the current directory. And this command creates a secret from a .env file with key value pairs. Use it when migrating traditional application configurations that use .env files to Kubernetes environments. So this is how the backend YAML will look like. So env secrets, opaque, and all the values which are there in the env file, right? So key 1, key 2, if there are more keys, they will be picked up as key, and whatever value was there inside that will be base 64 encoded. Okay, count all secrets in the cluster. So this may be like in your production, you can have some requirement may come. So just -a for all namespaces, no headers, and we are just doing a line count. So this command counts the total number of secrets across all namespaces, and you can use it for secret auditing, generating metrics or monitoring the overall usage of secrets in your cluster. So create service account with image pull secret. So we have Docker image pull secret, but that needs a service account which will be used to pull the image. So this is how you will do. So create, we are creating a service account. So SA for service account. This is the name of service account. And we are saying image pull secret reg cred. So whatever we have created Docker registry secret, we are giving this value. And this command creates a service account with an attached image pull secret. Use it to automatically provide container registry credentials to pods that use this service account. Check secret access permissions. So command is whether you can modify or get the secret. So we are saying kauth. So can I means whoever is running the command. So can I do this? Then I am saying can I get this value? So it can be can I, if I want to check whether I can edit, I can say can I edit this secret? So this command checks if your current user has permission to access a specific secret. You can use it to verify RBAC configurations or troubleshoot permission issues when working with secrets. And that's all. Thanks for watching.